Good morning, everyone. I'm Candace from Futures Beginners, and I'm so glad that you guys are with me today.
ES reversing.
Look at this. We've got ES
Russell
reversing.
15.
We've got
Enter
Russell
NASDAQ.
15. They're all turning over right now. Let me show you what a good looking. This is a kind
Enter
of a
NASDAQ.
wonky looking A trade, but he's pretty good. Roberto here. The problem is he's at the 200. I want you to be real careful around that 200. 200 is the line in the sand of who's winning this game. And we want to be careful. Look at the ES is on the 200, and also the little Russell right here is on the 200. Beautiful pop this morning. Came all the way up, rolled over.
ES reversing.
Right at about 10 o'clock. And now they're giving us a little bit of trouble, but we're going to wait. You want to be really careful around this 200 because it's explosive. So it's like starting a war right at the
Crude reversing.
DMZ line. You just don't want to be there. I'm going to hold on a little bit and wait for a better trade for you. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have the NQ starting to roll over. We're getting a little striker arrow up here in just a second ago. We're going to send it up channel. It's a pullback, but we're going to take you from 0 to hero right now. Let's just take that puppy down, see what we can get. Okay, he's pulling back. The striker arrow was just here a minute ago. He's coming all the way down here, 35 ticks, 42 ticks to the bottom of that channel. That's channel, but since the 50 is right there, he's going to be coming down to the 50. Let's just let him go. And then the ES will be right there after him in just a moment. Now, on a pullback, you can get anywhere between 20, 30, 40, 50, sometimes 100 ticks. Why? Because every reversal begins with a pullback. That's what I want you guys to remember. Every reversal begins with a pullback. This is a pullback. Look at the stopping D spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They not want to take him up. Him, meaning the NQ, you know that. And in order to carry 2 contracts on the NQ, you need $500 per contract plus a cushion. So $1,500.
ES reversing.
Yes, reversing also. Let's say $1,500.
NASDAQ reversing.
NASDAQ reversing. There they go. Now they're coming down hard. Okay. It is now 2 o'clock. They absolutely reverse at 2 o'clock.
Reversing.
Now we've got double MACDs down.
Yes,
this
reversing.
is really pretty. See Roberto here, and you can make 20 ticks, 50, 100 ticks. We've just made 10% on our account. When we get to be 30 ticks, there you go. We're going to have 20% on our account. We started at 0. Now remember that you only need $1,500 to put this trade on. Let's let him come all the way down. He's coming back down here to this R1 and the 200, but that's really pricey. That's 150 ticks. I don't think we're going to do that. Let's just wait and see what he's going to do. Okay, got 36 ticks. There you go. This is really pretty. You get to see it. I'm going to take you from 0 to hero today, 50 to 100 ticks. One good move is all you need all day long. Just pop in here. We've got a couple minutes, 12.
ES5.
Oh, ES5 is turning over. Let's go see what he's doing. See, we've got 12 and a half minutes, and you're going to be able to make 30% on your trading account. There you go, 47 ticks. Let's keep going and see. I'm going to find another good-looking A trade for you. I'll be right back. Okay, so the little NQ over here, he came back up to the 9, and I missed him. I was looking at something else. He's right here at the 50. You got to be careful with this, but they are turning over. It's now 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and they are turning over. So let's go ahead and take him down right here. It's a continuation. He came back up to the dots. Do you see that? And now he's moving fast, and we don't want to miss him. Come on, hit me. Okay.
Yes.
Oops, he hit me so quick. Did you see that? When they start moving fast, you got to get out of their way. Now he's way past the 50. I'm not sure. He's in an up channel. I want you guys to know about defense strategies and be protected and not just grab at anything, because that's a high probability you could get stopped out when you start taking DNF trades. These were really good as he rolled over right at the rolled over first and then right at the dots, and then when he came back up again. But down here he's hanging out in no man's land. That's a dangerous trade. I don't want you to take that trade until you have 100 ticks in your bank. Then you can risk it, but not until you have 100 ticks in your bank. You don't want to risk it. Well, it's the day before a 4-day weekend, July 4th weekend, and I think I'm going to call it a day today. We have 57 ticks or $570, And I showed you the defense strategies. Now, the defense strategies, you don't want to be messing around with that. You want to be defensive and guard your principal. So if you can get 57 ticks in a rough day, most people have already hit the road in New York and Chicago and the places where the futures markets are traded. So it just might be time to call it a day. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm Candace signing out for Futures Beginners, and I want you guys to sign up for the live training webinar that's coming this week. Just sign up at futuresbeginners.com/webinar, and I will see you when you get here. Bye for now.